Friday, June 26, 2020, 2:58 p.m. So, update po muna natin yung ating scorecard. 5, -2, -2, -3, -2, 4, and 0. Same pa din for now. Start tayo sa AUD CAD. So buy. Okay, meron tayong buy limit dito. So almost same ano pa rin, 1:2 risk reward. Almost 80, tapos almost 40 pips stop loss. Then AUD JPY. So pwede po tayo mag-entry dito, pero for me mas okay kung dito tayo maglagay ng entry. So okay din, strong resistance. Makita natin dito 1, 2, 3 times siyang na-test. Lagay tayo dito ng buy limit. Tapos kung ang target natin ay dito lang, still good 120 pips. So TP tayo ng 73. Dyan 120, so 60 pips down. Okay, then take a screenshot for your documentation. Parang journal nyo na rin. Okay, next natin is AUD USD. It's a buy. So place tayo ng order here. Ay, sorry, nagalaw. Target natin 130 pips. So stop loss natin around 65. Okay, screenshot again. Okay, next one, Euro NZD, sell. Okay. So for me, this is a good area to sell. TP tayo dito. Okay. 140, 70 pips. Okay, then snip. EN GBP AUD, meron tayong sell limit here. Almost 90, almost 180 pips. I'm 177. Same 1:2 risk reward. GBP NCT, okay, running trade na. Since stop loss was around around 100 pips kanina, and we're way past 100 pips na, 120 pips na, so move na sa positive stop loss yan. NZD CAD, meron na tayong buy limit 90 pips. Just pa natin 45. Okay. And lastly is NZD JPY. Buy. I think ito din is a good area to place your buy orders. Okay. 60 pips, 70 pips. Then we'll take it. Then around 34, 35 pips. Okay. Then always record your entries para mababalikan nyo siya. Then makita nyo kung saan nagkamali. So yun lang po for today. See you next week. Thank you, sir.